To add the switch to the amp module, the first thing you want to do is locate your gray connector, and then using your pliers, remove the orange lock wedge.
After removing the orange wedge from the gray connector, remove the small plastic blue plugs on the back side. What we've done here is we've used a paper clip to go ahead and loosen these. You can use a toothpick or something similar, and then get your pliers to remove each of these. Now we're ready to insert the wires from the switch harness into the gray connector. Make sure you follow the instructions in the manual here to connect the appropriate wire into the proper connector location. After connecting your wires into the gray harness, it's time to reinsert the orange wedge. Now, check to make sure all of your wires are snug. After confirming everything is ready to go, it's time to move on to the next step in the manual.